Morning, wonderful people of Kumasi, Asante, Ghana, and across the globe. This is Adeakye Abia on a Thursday morning. My name is Omanhene Yaw. Boakye. I want to believe you are good, you are well. I am excited to be in your home, sir. Munkwankwanuyase mo fie mu ne babia ne otemi a wokwa fuma rade emo ho ban fanko ne otike ma wotema no pa mi gidi so ho ye pa. My panel is seated, Yaboama is here, and then the all-time controversial Asante Eboa. Good morning. Asante Machia James Way.
Good morning.
My security expert is here.
Security expert there. Yeah, they see what we don't see.
Patronade on
because
but
I
didn't have a position. He said he's my security expert.
So he's elevated to higher standards.
Well, look at the headlines. National Investigative Bureau storms 1844 house as Spintex Road. Now, Eddie member National Investigative Bureau akobo renting for Joho. Now, MPP for a job. Minority Bawku, the General Secretary and his team, Executive Bawku, almost say, one more catch on my penny John Dramani Mahama say, intim for Joe Abeka and Sem. 1940 busa questions no munyi questions na no enwie na o di Japan ni nkrofo akobo refi ho enti ne amu hwei na je se oni ni fie fo na tete ho eno mo e video wo mo national security abeba wura ho no mo den na mo koye warrant be na mo de koye as at this morning ayeba ha no mo na search warrant bia yanya bi de enti bu type anti so mo de ko ho Neno ena asempa eye ekosi sei miamini akuma lawyer Osebonsu any government spokesperson minister for government business in the person of Elizabeth Sukachi ejotwen komo no ka kire ne say Obi, this is to serve as a deterrent from people to spew falsehood. So Obi to anu akboni sire mi so obeji ka bibia gu aban no hu fini ade no and I'm say hey Ochimbre minya minority leader Afenyo Markin waka say no amount of intimidation will bring the MPP down. Yenti emra omunyina ti say yes National Investigative Bureau as storming abrantia ye friend say intim fojo Reverend intim fojo ye member of parliament no amanfo ne kasa kese ne nketua omunyina akogu fie ho no de asem na Afenyo Markin minority leader can yenti no.
Intimidation and harassment from the NIB. We least expected such a step to be taken by government by using agents of the state. Our country is a country of democracy. Yes. And I'm reiterating a point. His Excellency President Mahama, I don't see him as a politician. I see him as a statesman. Because his term is his final term. So those who work under him should help him to leave a legacy. Yes. What we are experiencing shouldn't be part of his legacy. 4 years is far, but near. Ghana has been in this exercise for years, and we don't need what we've experienced this morning. The caucus expressed a view through its authorized member, Mr.
Eji ose enye intim fojo ena onu kwa na ekasa eye minority caucus na enam so ye ranking member for interior and defense inti ena omo de assumption na no so omeka obeka wie ya afedie akoye te say womo tata no ose womo mpre prechna senior members of the MPP are no so our residents or Kasa about the Rambo style attempt to arrest the MP, no, people like Nitiwu, Atachiane Justin Kodian, so Omo Kasa, Yente Omo.
If they want to invite him, they can invite him. But why is this whole area besieged with security personnel?
Do I want to think that you are his lawyer and so you are here to make some interventions?
Well, he called me. He called me that I should come immediately because, I mean, they've surrendered his house. Yes, but obviously I am a colleague, a former colleague, and also I practice law. So let me find out what is going on before we can advise him because it's a bit, I mean, frightening. What's going on?
Have you received any preliminary information as to why the NIB is in his house?
I'm not too sure, but I told him that if there's a search warrant, he should see it before he will let them in. Because you can't.
No. Was that processful?
No.
Well, in fact, the chaos this morning was needless, unwarranted.
What's your position on that?
Well, the position is what I'm telling you. Very unwarranted. At least, if indeed they were showing good faith, they would have gone through the process, the due process, written to the speaker that the member of parliament is to be invited or wants to be invited to.
My defense minister here, a number of things happening here is not strange.
Batch into somebody's house to use a Rambo style to arrest the person. In those days, I will not allow that.
It happened.
If it came,
it's not a point to equalize.
I want to tell you something. If it came to my attention, I would never have allowed that. Okay. It doesn't matter who the person is. I would never have allowed that type of thing.
Okay.
And I want to be very frank that if it came to
and if only be almost a call former defense minister, former Works and Housing Minister, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, and also call her Judge Question and Ra called to say he's been acquitted and discharged after 3 years legal battle of perjury and other charges. And Tiniako told Justice here and say, Judge Question, Ubia to me finding court to view say. Onye brashebe dwani na kwan of fast so ne ade because court to cast acquitted and discharged ya ona chete wasem no ye wie ye take Achikwesi.
Come here to do or deceive anybody. I came to my mental state was normal. I'll be honest with you. They will tell you, my sister here will tell you. When you are not wrong, there's nothing you should worry about. No matter where you put the person, they will bounce back. That was my reaction. That I know I'm innocent. I wouldn't do this. I didn't come here to do or deceive anybody. I came to help my community and to help the country, to serve my people and my country. And I make sure I did the right things. But
that's right. The Achikwesi and no, I say North, right? Tisiano, Bibia did that thing, kama, Casabia to a chat. Former Attorney General Godfrey Dame and I or say, Dominica Yene say, well, your workshop unti. What you crata de acoma court to Nina say, any case you be or mobiano or Montreal, so no say, now say, where they say, Yenti.
As important as the removal of the Chief Justice. He couldn't come or send the person to call my attorney. The deputy attorney also not state attorney, he couldn't come. What makes it more odd is the fact that they sent state attorneys, not even one but two senior state attorneys, to come inform the court that they are at a conference, and so the matter should be done. That is all.
I mean, we know the consultation process are ongoing, and that is the process that you wanted to hold. I mean, that's some repercussions in that they could come to the prima facie determination while you wait for the hearing to take place.
I don't answer the question.
The question is that you are trying to halt the consultation process that are ongoing. While the case has not been fixed for hearing yet, there is a possibility that that consultation process could come to a conclusion. Is that not what you are trying to halt?
Godfrey Dame, no, what's what TV that? Sir, and you're betting more. Oh, who workshops so fast?
Oh, no,
person workshop ready. Or so postponing cases be already here. Send then I got see the hearing of the Supreme Court as if send it lawyer no. Make just send ra. It's in by and then can be a sir. Oh, yeah, workshop. Ah, my moment to tell. Now, any of them, any see or Bawku. Kusasi Mrantia say, Omampeni John Mama said Bosse. Bawku will be peaceful with NDC in power. And Omunina, and was here Yokoto Aba. A free sell Mampeni be Pims, Ebedi Mampeni. A nipa makuma kudu ngoche. The killings keeps continuing. Etinra said the CEO Rantie the Bufo, a whole police barracks. Cheja tumaku police ni Bawku. And I'm over the TV no sono. Some no ya yeti. As anti akwaba biu. Ya also akwaba. My security expert. What do you make of this security situation? As I say, well, we just say, yeah, any komo.
Agota,
any komo.
Maybe I may find komo ye free. Maybe I would see Bawku issues. No, I want that. The ma ebre bia ya na misuru. Unse ebre bia ebe kwa fan komo aba se. Emra so se e makwa me ahemfo. Eye politics ana se. Me e ma omunya me ye against se ahemfo no enkoso enfro omontuma. Omonkoso enfro omufugu no. Omonkoso antina omonkonya so. Konkonya dem enkogu omonsa.
Eye niema bi sei.
Eye niema bi sei. Akunta se politicians ye mo kwan a de oma ye drui. Se mo kwan mo to aso a esa bewrewura ye mu e de politics bewrewura hinsem mu ene we free ha we ete ha we asase nie we die kosi ha we die etwene ha we nse we ase we sei se ma kwan ma politicians ni bewura mu a akota kure mu ye ntimi ntenemu biewu yintimi ntenemu biu wo de yemfa de ekoso wo Bawku no enye case study pa
no so
ahinsam ni nyina ye akonya we teso na efi se we na otese no na sabre no ya brantie no a no oye adwuma ne public life and answer ne private life no na or aligned to a certain political party and na foforo bi ono so eba ososo na brabo eni ni sunu ne ban ne adwuma wa ye nyina ne nkomodie no ono so ya aligned to another political party it is what as a party bi ba na Bawku no ano ho na ne hoye den me kwa kwagima konya me kwa kwagima konya ne jadam party ni free so na foforo so ba na Bawku no so retaliation your day ye me bia no so me buy in full force me ye obi
I said etete agbogboleshi market
mo akunta nti ye politicians no ye besre omo MPP ni omo NDC sem no ene omo CPP ni adade no omo ye no omo ma no nso wa bebia omo de ya ba bedru no enso bebia atwene ya anyesa akota Bawku issue yi enye no mampani na ado danko akufa ado beto so mampani dada eye jomama obeto so mampani dada Tamils ebeto so mampani dada Kofo beto so Rollins bekutekutem sa na ye nofo ne nyina ya asase ena kasamu enyi mu ni fi ha
no na asase
mo
ena o ma oba bi tena
mo
untumi menye ho ho a obehye nkwan mu
obeto abonti
opportunity bi da ba ya nka wo ye ade a yaje ya ade ye nso ye do so chemo
ye ne do so chemo nti ya denti na mo no pese mo bedi so ye nti ase
court abua bebre abua ensoso
ni nyina ye politicians a wo mo awram for their selfish gains obi pempie di ho nti e basa no de ne ho akwa twitwiri ekuo ni mu Bawku so hu se be ya for political gains no mo so akogina campaigns de wontimi nye de obeka mana se nipa bufu a
ya mrante asemi de asie omo se omampani John Mama say Bawku will be another TV no so Bawku is peaceful with NDC in government
with politicians no
the ultimate make yes it almost so much din after 3 months no nipa 18 omo your press committee nipa 18 ewu so the promise that he gave them they are sending a warning now who send a warning
any akuta say nipa kwa level say obeto ahye police barracks so
police barracks ekumaku
edru baby kra no so we video bi a aso police for no ase omo we tam ne mattress we tam ni TV we ne ma edwane so we videos ni bi a police for
that be na
police for na
if you run for your life.
Yes. None yes a be civilian or no one near man training bia self defense ne sa near man onim hwe ene ne obey
hanam
on the ebeni de ntakunta ye politicians no ye besre wo mu say bebi o omodi aba bedru no bebi o maye omo politics aba bedru no bebi o machiche ye mu aba bedru no enso wa ye no wan hwe ya boko eye kakra bi o
enso
for more than 20 years so akunta ni intimi nkonteni boko ade no and politicians no ekọ honoma wo mo kwa no makosa anwe agum monto aba mame meme ba mema asomdua ba akowe wa amoamo monto aba mame na MPB dia campaign ni ato ama no wantima ni bo hye no so ni etu no na we ginam MPB so sebe obedi MP ntino na se onu so hyehyech ensem basa politicians no dako e wodo a ebehia mo a abuta bebia bokwa de no aduro no apewe yade nipa no mukunkum mo and gradually ama krono
ye no police
for bia ene soja for bia ni
I make ya omo koye no
peacekeeping ya de
omo frey anajo do at 12 am
omo catch the wa akuta krono nyina gradually boba abokra ne sa Katini, akuta se obusue ni ye medical doctor ni ye kase ye de ne koboko
a. Da. Ana go that na fie na memo dia.
On trefie ya be gigi sika dia because obeko na se obusue ni nyina nsuru begu jam every blessed day dia. Ene ye trefie. Obi anu obeja ne bakwan se onko. Boko so onko. Ade.
The boko for so bone be no mai.
Ningi na ye akuta the powers that be your politicians ya
na me say
esiutu omo se ne omusi kasa
obakai ye kwakoto aba ada me te say the Mamprisi chief who was banned has gone to court and the court has granted him lenience to go back to Boko. Me catch them say Baumia should forget the north.
Oh yes.
Because Mamprisi and Kusasi and Ayaboko and Toka. And the Kusasis are many, and the Kusasis say they are the natives. And a Mamprisi for Oman baby tonight.
Yes.
They see the Mamprisi chief say is a threat to them. Then Penina or your vice president or Opera Bano. Ama mo national security asumani mo kwan say even though papa na koje court you know mama mane nko ba me akọ voter original no motam no de ko e sa na dwo no ade by morning na nipa 12 awu nipa dumienu so that very thing was also so political say ekwaya ebe fa so asa papa ye friend ba omia no esrem ho ye be break no e na omuja Mamprisi chief man ko okodu ho no ma the whole Kusasi enclave wara Dagari Mamprisi Dagate wan omunyira came said there be the very presidency of Baumia with this man here the existence is even threatened. So across the 5 regions the message was Otu Abama Baumia or anyway obe create war e was nothing region and to abetia e free on no more and akofa asema ba hwe nipa na edwane te say
they are running for their lives
na omo na mo no yi obi ho no ma otam sekan a maami e onam wo si ano a onye ni krom ni a ye twetwa nipa
yes
yetimi de sekan wo oba why dey wanyem yem ko ne ba because politicians be akabibia to na twiri ye politicians so me say what was an tokwa bi a I said there simile I said there bonofo ne asante won tokwa bi no udi okom ubehu say one one essentially
se be ya ba ku benya vote
so bi benya vote nti
nipa bi hu be ya bufu nipa bi hu be ya hi
sa no mo kreti ya wo de hwe
party ba ko enya
vote wo hono na wo Ghana hanom a yaw votarian bia yo boni baby
David
asante votarian bia yo boni why a votarian bi boni bi but what say ya create politicians for political gains it I create a EBT say oh asante man tem akra dia umpa ngrani asem to the point say do maybe cry no more the fantifo cross will be rem.
Yes.
Omo the same be rem. Et unim ye kwa elections aho. Na ya to say Asante region and Eastern region against all the other regions.
Yes. Asante 4 versus Angunafo.
Asante 4 versus Fanti versus voter versus Enkranfo.
Versus Enkranfo.
The politicians. The politicians. This is what they want. And they are achieving it. Sometimes ya na ntokwa ne sorry here. Na nje politicians ya.
Politicians ya ne shase.
Now man for to me the arms. Egugu ayi banche. Sebia ye de enema bi kosrema koton. Ye chekas bebre na ammunitions guase a. Nkrofo won kan na sponsor krofo mum kukum nipa. Because ebia se Bawku edwa party bi be win.
Yes.
It's as long as say and tokwa wo no there party bi be win sa
ene say ya
ubako constituency bi ni ekwan be fa so a ahensem e be generate na nipa bi e prepare no e boa party bi for how long Intim Fojo now for Asante take you over.
I want to Intim Fojo the idea
as Intim Fojo so akeka ni eko
I said, oh, yes, one minute at the door.
I'm not the door to obey Yaba. When the Yami the Bay, and this be ye for the
I said, somewhere Yanka. Hey, the young Mosso, and I won't walk out to the end and you will puaba.
No, but the Omo so Yama, among Fortune Yako.
Yes,
I said, the answer there.
And Yasama Ura,
and I said, no cribby woman. Omayama as a Ghana for Adjini Bahu because
Akuta Sobeka Asante Sobeka ya nanu ye Speaker of Parliament release 2 MPs. Your friend says sports minister no any A+ or release you national security.
Yes, because they wrote
omonko assist you with investigation. The statement by a release these 2 MPs
because Yoko and I wrote to them.
Yes, Emra na eba say omo make certain utterances be and in your money maybe a security for no be paying mu speaker etro de koy inti Emra sa chaotic scene na NI before ko create ye or honorable John Intim for John if you honom no na eni hwe he akota say speaker abanwe yawo a eni be 2-3 weeks and I say ni be 1 month no mo tro de koy mo security for ya mo tro de koy say mo hia MPs mienu Omabuamo with investigation and then na see hu kwan and na ansa na kra no president kra di kanya ba president Troy Dananajo on the Facebook page so we directed all the security say mon lazy with the member of parliament.
So go to his boss, the speaker.
What is wrong?
Go through the channel
instructions so the man wan say go and arrest your friend say some member of parliament no or say mon lazy with him.
Say be almost lazy there.
Oh, akunta.
Where you
sa chaotic echne bi sa de we o maye asem na akunta de say e be hwetre samia echne bi afi kura de ofre papa na e be te say mo pe e bia mo say penalty no enti they will mass up e wo
because you see even the next time say omo speaker ho kura na say you invite na
papa no kura say
MPP don we
go say party mpenimfo ne party be
they will go there
akwakogu na fe asam ne pa na yesi ye kwa fifi mu ne apɛ ba bi ye free ne aso ano no na akotere ye politics asem
ama megidi se Bawku de no omampanyi mama ye to abama no Ghana for to abama no on grounds of say wa we ni aba no both assets and liability. One of the liabilities is one inherited ye Bawku de no minim say ye beto aba no kono mo ka say opem sompo betimi aboa
was adan obeye ma pani crowd oba ne ko kan say
entino
o ka chen say o de Bawku ahye ne nsa
very good
so o ye da bonde no
entino why uje na ekoso kukuoma ye nimanti se bi o mabunu no yes adewe o ma ye no kroma mpanyi mama take advantage in this crisis in the north, especially Mampus land in the election no. However eno so nche se mabunu no se be mampanyi mahama ne ba omi amon kwatwitu emo bia ho mo na mukunkum ho so mo ye na positive for no the visibility nature of police ni free who we are ebeye enye very say peaceful anybody there obi abetwe kunkun obi awo na police for mboni be no maya baby omote so de ukutwe jatum na me ade we abade ba kwan na me ya pa ye honorable member of parliament na wo ya na nse me welcome for me
Bawku
when I speaker when I say majority leader
I
MPP who has never spoken in defense of the security. Whatever it is, what kind. Emre Bia, they go back and see. He support the civilians. Soldier new cry you know. He comes into Sebi consequence that talk about the no so interest say obi papa obi mama whatever on fan ento chachasa. Eba say hard you know. Ebia wo kan bi kan say minian monya botemon fa ayima ebia nipa bi ompo wasem konsuensu no ebi betie onum asem because soja for no mo bo enkwa ene ajapade ho ban wo ese no ajapade no kwa de hia omo se nipa nkwa adis say omo aso ho nkwa no e ka ajapade ne nkwa no mo bo ho ban bi mo peso mo mfro motima free ho na wo member of parliament wo betima ko me kwa na me ka se boko kwampore ya nto aba no.
And it's at the point in time we thought after the Mabrusi chief entered there, we thought say to
abasumdie biem na aka. Sebe opens one na ba ho nyina yi. Ayasumdie kura ya o. Na beba na makunkum ho a sebe onipa be no ommechie. Enfonso no de aba. Say ohini bi a okọ ohini ko se na ohini ho dada. Ono so ko onso ye ohini. How can two captains stay in one ship? Omo asumdie mra na mpanifo na efra bonten beka asumdie se mo mekata mo mpa asumdie a omo ntimi nchekira asumdie mfa nhye mo kon mabu na mo ho no wo ababuri sabio Boakye mi se adwuma ni wo se south ha enti sabi politician na anwe adwuma abaye ho sika wode be ma na whoever is sponsoring you na ne ho no adwuma no auto abro na ade kokontokwa eno de na benya film please ha adwen but ma me dem di twa to ye tachi question there no me samra na omo ye no me dwun wa me ntiasi o hwe emra no omo ma mra ni mu ye o footballers obobo wa brochira ono ko mpesa obobo krama Ghana ene Ghana fo ko pa na chew
na ya passport ama
ya passport ama no be Ghana no obobo ball amai ni ye kra ene ko esika bonso ayi wona na obo abetutu ne pa na okọ na ayi abega na ni na sampe but members of parliament and I say obi
away Ghana ni a person obesom ne person
samra no on my every only MPs nko and I say the three arms every executive
so far MPs
and why how should the law be applied in that way
so far MPs and our president
but the judiciary as well
and a ministry but judiciary
you know
no and there be any hosa
anyhow
we say omo appoint a Supreme Court judge bi na oko no kuta Canadian passport
nya de o man me mate na
omo approve but eno na meye
eno nya grounds
ba say we no ya wa akoya kansie ni ntira na ono nya no de wiwa emra diu
ebi na omode ye Adamu Sakande
as me fa na
crazy obeso o man na sa de we batima abo kwam nya nkotra brochiri ama bedi mampanyi so why is it that enema bi o ha because they do no ye pe obi obatima abo man no with the knowledge of man timi akonim na obi akotra oyabono ne waba
na ye so you see a foreign direct investment and yes a remittance abrochire for sika de ye pe dem obedi MPD a yes da bi the gidi semra so say me no ya adwena
na do kwa mo start say ade no as there's a law be on person repeal
I don't go person omo ye
na eyi free ho because oman ye po yempo say we aban bi o power bia ya wo hu say wo fra bochie ba pe a campaign message obe frustrate you sa empo on say omo na wo so
na bi mu so fi say bogus no obu a watena brochira pedisika gu ha anu ababa house oba be ye
na
they are citizens no cry no the constituents they don't know you
that my Ghana for ni bi omo ko mo timanya sika kra che mo mfra bochire ba ada in most cases no mfra bochire ba no omo ba we ni aba bi bebe lusu
bebre
bebe lusu enti emre to say emwa na mra no mo mamu enye footballers nko ema free the music fra bochire ba eje na Ghana ni akotra bochire ba no be ye parliamentarian dia yes ye nya se bo kra dwen wa wote ase a
asam no tira wote ase ne ntino zinko enra na ewo baby a ye no na Zico Akwaba na wo to say eno answer me catch yourself me yiri that day sabe wa me foforo no ba ye no adia wo ye mani nje wo eti diako wie ne say Barcelona for egg fre Dortmund for so omo mesra yen na omo de yellow Marines ebe gina park no so ye shase na chese afafranto enim sala wa ye yia ne enu omo di si ani oh I said the omo pre 25th minute na ball no de na ka me pese Rafinha Jama Kubasi ehye ni nan yo de ko pray we e ba ye na nka ye see offside and ye de Doski ajiashe liwa yes antesi a 4-0 no
is it Basade
bi bu so Dortmund for betikana
football be on the football be beti Messi
ya munya sanse munu no
o hebo
na PSG depend Barcelona PSG depend Barcelona when Barcelona has Messi Neymar Suarez ba couldn't say
why no boss say
Iniesta. Yeah, was squad go a full team was PSG.